Hello, welcome back to my channel, my kitchen experience. So today we'll be making Afang Soup the Akwa Ibom way. So look at the ingredients you'll be needing for your Afang Soup. Okay, so we had to pound the ukazi because the people say they will not blend it in the market, so that it's still very fresh. No, I traveled actually, so my paddy said I should make it for him. So I'm doing it. So see me picking water leaf. We are preparing our ingredients and making sure everything is safe. We did division of labor. My husband is cutting the periwinkle. So I'm washing my leaf. I like doing it by myself. I don't like it that they will do it in the market, cut in the market and now come back and wash. But you can ask them to help you. So he's washing the periwinkle. Look at, he's really good at washing it. So I had to leave it for him to do it. He's washing very well. Omo, man, Igbo man wey grow for Rivers State, he dey do am well well. See am now, see, look at his hand, how he's doing it. So I had to ask him to help me do it because I couldn't do this all alone. No, so that's it. Wash it very well. Please, you keep repeating the process. And then you added salt. This salt will now help you to remove some of the dates from it. Once you put this salt and shake it, you can add water to shake. You can shake it before adding water anywhere, but it will help you to remove the dates. So, and even those broken shells, when you shake it like this, you break off. You get, so that's an opportunity for you to wash this. You can look at the water now. You're seeing those floating particles in here. So that's it. Keep repeating it, keep doing it, wash it, wash it, wash it until you are satisfied. For me, after washing, I soak it in salt water and keep till when I am ready to use. You get, so that's it. Now I promise to show you the fish. So this is the fish I'm showing you. See my ingredients, some of the fish I'm going to use. This is me slicing my vegetable. This is what I leave actually. We call this momoiko in Akwa Ibom. So, and why we call it momoiko? And you like water leaf now, you know it has water. Momo is like water, technically it has water. So I'm slicing it by myself because I don't like that thing they will do in the market, cutting it with all those dates inside. So these are the ingredients already prepared. My stockfish and my fish, I soaked it in hot water. My meat was seasoned already. My afang, my pepper, periwinkle, kanda. You see it, the periwinkle, see how it looks now after washing. Look at how everything looks, okay? See it, so just present your thing, keep it, get ready. And you know now, normally I like crayfish. I prefer using more of crayfish, so I had to blend enough crayfish in my skin. So look at my pot on fire. My meat is there with my stock. Now adding my fish and my stockfish. I had to rinse it again. That's why you see I didn't turn it. I would have just turned it into the pot, but I had to rinse it again. So I'm bringing them out from the water one by one into the pot. You get, so that's it. And I'm also going to wash my cow skin again. I'll rinse the cow skin again before I put it inside. I'm just trying to steam them because, you know, since I've already soaked them in hot water, they are soft already because that fish is well dried. I buy well dried one so it can last for months. So now look at me adding my cow skin. Yes. So can sit. Ha! So my party was like, cook Afang soup, cook Afang soup. They asked me to bring it to. I told them I cannot carry Afang soup and come. So I'm adding pepper. See, I'll just add my ingredient pepper. I'll add salt and I'll add seasoning cube. I added just one seasoning cube. So they were like, cook Afang soup and bring. Say, I cannot carry Afang soup and travel. When I come on by, people of God, when I got to the market, the price of ukazi Afang was expensive, and I had to walk around to look for it. Oh, check. They now directed me to one guy. That guy now had fresh one, and he now sold it. Imagine selling one new cup for 200. Very expensive. I just had to buy what would be enough for us. And after putting it, I just cover it and allow it to steam and simmer for a while. Cook. I'll leave it for like 3 minutes. 3 minutes to 5 minutes, then you now come back. I didn't actually check the time exactly, so I now came back to it. I now open my pot. Look at it now. Now open my pot and now stir it. Got my fine hand stirring it nicely. Ha! This soup, oh! I now added seasoning cube, another seasoning cube because I'm ready to cook. So I now added crayfish. I like crayfish, remember. So I now added more crayfish. Enough to my own satisfaction. Remember, as you are cooking, you'll be tasting. I now pour in my periwinkle. I'm rinsing it from the water. Remember, I told you I'll soak it in salt water. So I'm now I remove it from the salt water Now rinse it again. So from the water, I'm putting it inside. And I poured palm oil. I don't like, remember, I don't like too much oil. I said it before. I don't know for other people. Me, I don't like too much oil. My food is too oily. I don't enjoy it. So I poured oil to my own satisfaction. Now poured in my cream, water leaf. If you watch, if you notice, I didn't add water to the soup. My water leaf will bring the water I need. But if you finish cooking and you notice you need water, that's why I say keep hot water. You have to be keeping hot water beside you whenever you are cooking. So now I left it for 3 minutes. It's not up to 5 minutes, 3 minutes. If you leave it for too long, your water leaf will now be looking brownish. So I left it for 3 minutes and came back to stir it. The water from the water leaf has entered my face. So now look at me. I'm stirring it very well. Stir to mix, you get. When you once you I stir to mix, I'll now come and put crayfish. Remember, this is actually my kitchen experience, so you have to share your own experience. Like our channel, follow, subscribe. Anyhow you want to, just do it. Just comment, tell us how your own experience is. Share it with us. Let us know how you did yours. This is my own recipe. Now added crayfish. The pepper was not enough. I now added pepper. Every other thing was okay. So this is me now putting in my afang. Efere Afang, my fufu download on straight up. Yeah, but me, I don't eat fufu anywhere. I eat gari. But for those people that eat fufu, I bought fufu for them. For me, I had to make gari for myself. So look at me stirring it, mixing it. Then I'll now test it. When you mix it like this, you test it. If you don't like it this dry, that your hot water will help you at this point. That warm water you kept beside you, just pour it to your own desired texture. But me, my paddy, I requested for a light stick dry. I said I should not add water again. So I now left it like that for him. It was on his own request now, so you know. So I say he wants to test it too. I should dish it for him to test too. He doesn't want it to get cold though. I said, hey, calm down. I now had to dish the food. See me dishing it. She has seen it. They say he was like, put plenty meat. I say, hey, this guy likes meat like this. He likes meat. We call him Agu, as lion. No, I'm a Akwa Ibom woman. I'm married to an Igbo man. But I carry my recipe from my mama house, carry gun body, follow Kanye, this is your land, because I can't. So now look at it, and now dish it for him. Look at this soup now. So yum, delicious. Hey, oh God, he could not wait. He was like, I want to test. I said, okay, see it there. Look at his hand going into, see the way he cut, see the kind of, he was cutting as if somebody wants to drag with him. We now like, calm down, nobody's dragging with you, it's you alone. Look at him nice, testing it. And he nearly tasted it. Oga was like, this soup, please dish it, pack it inside the plate and put inside freezer. I say, hey, calm down. And I say, no. So I did, that's how it ended though. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share your own experience with us, and also share it with other people will be needing. Thank you, and God